everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have my intro for round 3 of Partners in Cream. This was created by Steph Lyons and Delyn. They are both going to be listed down below. I believe Delyn is taking a little bit of time off for baby, and Steph is kind of running the show this year just to, keep this boat afloat, so to speak. And, when Delyn is ready to come back, if she wants to come back, then of course, the project is still here and ready for her to just kind of slide right in and do her thing again. But I will have both of those beautiful ladies listed down below. I'm pretty darn sure there's going to be a playlist. There has been in the last 2 years, so I'm sure there's going to be that down there as well. I'm filming this just a little bit early because I'm trying to get all of my intros pre-filmed, so that January is just not complete insanity for me, because it's a month of intros. That's what it is. All right, so let's get into this. It is an 11-month project. It goes from January 10 to December 10, and it is all like cream, liquid, gel kind of products, anything that is not a powder, because the moisture content in cream, liquid, gel products, stuff like that, it's a bigger risk, if I could speak. It is a bigger risk of them going off, expiring, and just going bad sooner. So this project is dedicated to all of those things that are at risk of going bad. So I have picked 5 products to work on. My intention is to finish all of these. I'm not sure if I can do that in this amount of time, but I'm going to give it the old college try, so to speak. It's been a while since I've been in college, but you know what I'm saying. So let's start with the products. The first one is going to be this Bobbi Brown Cream Shadow Stick. It is in the color Shore. It is a matte kind of taupey color. I'm rolling it all the way up. I will mark things after I film. This has been used once basically to swatch. Otherwise, it is a brand spanking new, and definitely want to try to get that one completely used up. It is really lovely, and I don't want it to go bad. The next one is Bite Beauty. Y'all know why I'm putting Bite Beauty in here, because these are known to go bad faster because they're natural. This one is in the color Maple. I've probably already had it longer than I should. I have basically swatched it, and that's it. It is not going to be an easy color for me. Of course, I had to put it in this project to, give myself a challenge. But, I'm up to it. It is a mini, but I still would like to get it used up. Next is the Urban Decay 24/7 Velvet Glide On Eye Pencil in Black Velvet. It is brand new, but this tells you how long I've had it. That the point is actually in there, but it's starting to get dry. I mean, you can still... Nope, I can't even swatch it. It's below the line. Hopefully it is still good in there. I have to sharpen it. It's never been sharpened. This is how it came into my life. And if it's bad, then I will roll something else in its place. But I'm hoping that because, it's behind all of this kind of waxed pencil-y thing, that once I sharpen it, it's going to be just fine. It's just below the plane of the plastic, so hopefully it'll be good under there. All right, next is the Mally's Look High Shine Lip Gloss from Mally, and I think I've tried this once just to make sure I liked it, and it is one that will twist up, so I will mark it and then we'll follow the progress up there. And I did have to bring in something really old. Actually, a few of these are really old. Clearly, some new, some old, which is kind of my goal for this year, is to work on both. This is the e.l.f. Smudge Pot in Cruisin' Chic. This one I've had so long, and it's really pretty. I just need to actually get it used, because even though it's not a high value, I don't want to lose any value by having to throw it in the trash. And it is definitely not as creamy as it used to be. It still works, but I want to make sure that, I can get some good use out of that one. So those are my 5 products. I don't have anything in for usage this year. I know I did that last year to kind of keep things going, but I feel like I'm going to have some progress with like the lip gloss and the eyeshadow stick early on. I think I'm going to be able to get good progress on these continually until they're done, and then slower progress on the eyeliner, the smudge pot, and then the lipstick, so that by the time I need to roll something new in for these two, these will start to have some good progress on them. That's the theory anyway. That's what I'm going for. That's what's in my head. So we'll see if that actually pans out that way. I was not, like, I hesitated because I was like, I knew what was in my head, and I'm thinking, do I really want to go with that pun even though I don't intend it? It is what it is. I'm just going with it. So that is my 5 products that I'm going to be working on for this 11-month project. Definitely go check out Steph and Lynn down below and everyone else that has joined in. This project's open to anyone that wants to join in. Just let Steph know or let somebody know that you're joining in so that we can get you on the playlist. And I think that's everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.